Lesson 14, Evaluation of Algebraic Expressions. First of all, I'd like to talk about what are algebraic expressions. We would say that a numerical expression would be 3. 3 is a number. It expresses something. We could also say that 2 plus 1 is a numerical expression. It expresses 3 as well. Now, an algebraic expression is when we have something else that stands for something, a letter. So here, L, and we've done the area of rectangles before, and we know that to find the area of a rectangle, we go A equals L times W. But what does this L stand for? It stands for length. And in this problem, it stands for 6. So we would go A equals 6 times, and the width is 4. 6 times 4. A equals 24. So this is an algebraic expression, the LW, because the L could stand for 6 and W stand for 4 in this problem. In a different problem, it might stand for something else. We've also seen circumference of circles where C equals 2 pi r. Here we're combining numerical expressions with algebraic expressions, and pi is always 3.14, so that kind of counts as a numerical expression. But radius in this problem is 3. It could also be in another problem, it might be 4, 5, 6. It could be anything. So that's an algebraic expression, is a letter that is standing for something else that could be anything depending on the situation. And here, since they're written side by side, it means multiply. And we go 2 times 3.14 times our radius, which is 3. And that would find you the answer. Now, basically that's what we're doing today, is we're having problems where x, in this problem, x is negative 2. Look down here in this problem, x is negative 4. So here when we start, x is going to be negative 2 and y is going to be 3. So we're going to plug them in, but we're going to put each one in parentheses. So I'm going to put parentheses around this x and plug in negative 2. And then put our minus sign in, and then x, which is negative 2, and y, which is 3. Going to order of operations, we must go negative 2 times 3 first. So negative 2 minus negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So negative 2 minus negative 6, when we subtract a positive or negative, we change the sign of the subtrahend and add. So negative 2 plus 6 is positive 4. That is the solution. Here we have another problem. Here A is standing for negative 4 and B is standing for negative 2. So let's put parentheses around and put in our negative 4 minus, and then we can change this parenthesis to a bracket so that we can fit this parentheses inside. So negative 4 and negative 2 minus negative 4. Be very careful when you do these that you get the right number, that the B always, you don't choose A's number for B. Now, solving inside the brackets first. We need to put our brackets back out here. Negative 4 minus, and we put brackets down. Negative 4 times negative 2 is going to be 8. Minus negative 4. Negative 4 minus our brackets. 8 minus negative 4, change the sign of the subtrahend and add. 8 plus 4 is 12. So negative 4 minus 12 is going to be negative 16. Going to the next one. Here we have x is negative 3, a is negative 2, and b is negative 4. So we're going to put parentheses and plug them in. For x, we put in negative 3 minus. For a is negative 2. For b is negative 4. And then put our brackets, and a is negative 2 minus brackets around negative 4. Okay, let's solve inside these brackets first. So negative 3 minus. I'm going to go ahead and solve this guy as well right now because we need to multiply these before we can multiply that times that. So let's go. Negative 2 times negative 4 is 8, positive 8. And now we're going to solve inside here. Negative 2 minus negative 4, change the sign of the subtrahend and add. 2 plus negative 2 plus positive 4 is going to be positive 2. Negative 3 minus 8 times 2 is 16. Negative 3 minus 16 comes to negative 19. And solving the last one, plug in for x, negative 4. I'll put a minus sign out front, and then inside we go negative 4, parentheses, negative 2, brackets. A is negative 2 plus parentheses, -4, brackets again, plus, and now here comes our last -4. Let's multiply these guys and these guys at the same time, all in the same step. So I'm going to put a minus sign out front, and -4 times -2 is going to be positive 8. And then brackets, -2 plus -2 plus -4 is -6. And then back here we put plus -4. Positive 8 times -6. Let's put the minus sign here. Positive 8 times -6 is -48 plus -4. Now this negative here means the opposite of, so let's change this to a positive and get rid of this negative. So 48 plus -4 is going to be 44. That is that. Good luck.